Hi, today I have REALME C75 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage our Google passwords, we need to open Google Chrome application, where we tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings option. And in the Google Password Manager, and there we have password which our device remember. We must click on maybe our Facebook account. Now we must enter our lock screen to get connected to that, and there we have all information which our smartphone remember, maybe to my Mimo app, and there we can copy our username, copy our password using this first icon, or when we choose ice icon, our smartphone shows us password which remember. We can share this password and username to our friends using this icon and share, or we can edit something by tap on edit and write something new in our username, passwords or note, but remember, when you change something we must press save. We can also delete it from our device by delete and copy by delete again. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.